Welcome back, darlings. Welcome back to House of Meaning. And today we're going to DIY this beret. This beret is so beautiful, so let's DIY. So our material needed, we're going to need our plain beret. This is a plain beret and it's a medium beret. Just look at it. Just look at it, guys. Look at it. If you're here for the first time, don't forget to subscribe. And if I subscribe, thank you for doing that. And that is our flower brush. That's our flower brush. That's one of our material that we're going to be using on this DIY. And the next thing I'm going to have in my stones. This is a shiny stone. And the next thing we're going to be having here, we're going to be having our pearl bead. This is a pearl bead. And I'm going to be having my base 6000 glue. I'll be having my base 6000 glue. And the next thing I'm going to be having, I won't be showing them, but I'm going to be having my hot glue. My glue gun. We all know what is glue gun. I'm going to use that glue gun to glue that flower brush. Just look at it. And the next thing we'll be doing on this DIY, we are going to arrange it. You're going to arrange it. You're going to place the flower brush. You're going to place the stone. You arrange it the way you want it, and you are going to arrange it with the bead. Just what I'm doing. You don't need to glue first. You have to arrange it to your own desire, the way you want it, the way you want it to be. Just what I'm doing is very, very easy. If you're seeing my video for the first time, please subscribe. And if I subscribe, thank you for doing that. We're going to have a lot of topaz, fascinator, and Ankara accessory. I still have a lot of beautiful DIY that you can do by yourself. So I'm still on it. I'm going to arrange this. Just look at that stone. That stone is so shiny. I love that stone. This is a shiny stone. This is original stone. Just look at it. I don't know what you guys call it. Just look at that stone. Wow, I love it. So you're going to arrange it. I arrange it three. That's how I arrange it round. See what I'm doing is very, very, very easy. You keep doing that. You set it. All these accessory, you can get it where they sell tailoring materials. The flower brush, you can get it. It always comes in, I think it will come in a roll. Just cut one out of it. Just look at it. You arrange it. You keep arranging it. Just the way I'm doing it. Just see what I'm doing. It's very, very easy. You place your stone. I arrange it 3 round. Just look at what I'm doing. It's very, very easy. Just look what I'm doing. It's so easy. I think I'm done with this. I'm done with this stone. You're going to pick it and you're going to glue it. I think I'm done with this stone. Just look at it. Then you press it down. You're going to use your hand to press it down. Just what I'm doing. It's very, very easy. You keep doing that. This is a tutorial on how to embellish your parrot. How you can embellish your parrot. You can wear this to Owambe party. You can wear it to a program. You can wear it to church. You can rock it. Just see what I'm doing. I'm arranging this and I'm gluing it. Just look what I'm doing. It's very, very easy. You're going to add your base 6000. Just a little. You are going to add a little to it and glue it down. So just a little of the glue is okay. Just a little of the gum is okay. Just look what I'm doing. So I'm going to lift it up and see if there is no glue. Then you see what I'm doing. You're going to shake it. So everything is glue now. Just see it. Wow, I'm loving this. Just look at it. If you want it to be full, you can create your own to be more full, but I just want something simple. I want something simple. And the next thing I'm going to be doing now, this is my flower brush. I'm going to use my glue gum to do that part. I'm going to use my glue gum to do that part. You're going to heat your glue gum. Yes, that is my hot glue on heat. I'm going to place it on the Beret. Just see what I'm doing. Then you press it down. Just look what I'm doing. Then use your hand to press it down. You press it down with your hand. It's so easy. You press it down. You can make this by yourself at home. It's very easy. You can make this for your clients. And the next thing we'll be doing on this tutorial is my bead. I'm going to be using this pearl bead. Look at this pearl bead. Well, this pearl bead is one of the bead that you can use to create your bead pack. Just look at it. You can get where they sell bead accessory. You can get artillery materials. Just look at it and you arrange it. See what I'm doing? I'm going to arrange it. You're not going to use your basic styles on here. You're going to use your hot glue. The best thing to use here is your hot glue to glue it down. That is the best thing to use. So just look at it and see what I'm doing. You're going to cut that part out. So you're going to make your flower bunch to make it very neat. Just see what I'm doing. So I'm done with this. I used my glue gum. For the bead. Don't use your basic style. Use the glue gum. So this is the final look. Darlings. I hope you love it. I hope you're ready to rock this. I hope you can make this by yourself. It's very easy to do. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to comment. Comment on my videos, like my videos, share my videos with your friends and family. Do this by yourself. It's very easy. You can do this by yourself. This is just a simple DIY that you can do at home. You can make for yourself. Make for your client. So thank you guys. I love you so much. Thank you. I still mean your girl Ass of Mina. Thank you all for your love and your support. And I'll be seeing you next time on my next videos. I'll be seeing you next time on my next DIY. Bye. I love you and have a lovely day.